Okay, so here's another problem, and we read the direction. It says, what is EM? So we're trying to find what EM is. If the radius of circle N is 24 and OM is 27, E is the point of tangency. It is tangent to an endpoint of the radius, so we know we have a right angle. So that is important to know. We were given this is 24. That would mean this is 24. And this is 27. We're trying to find over here what x is. So this whole thing is 51. You can certainly use Pythagorean theorem, which would be a beautiful way to get the answer. Something you might notice are the two sides you know are both divisible by 3. And maybe you notice that those are two sides of a triple. The triple, whoa, sorry, hit the keyboard. Get that out of there. The triple family is the 8, 15, 17. And so this side would be the 15 of the 8, 15, 17. So notice I had to multiply everything in red by 3 to get the true side length. So we would know x is 45. And the label would be centimeters. If you didn't notice it was a triple, that's no big deal. You would just say 24 squared plus x squared equals 51 squared. Do the algebra and you get the same answer. If you see the triple pattern, that's just a nice review. So, I like to kind of point that out. All right, sounds good.